Hi everyone, Ishani from ARGOS Labs here. I'll explain HTML action tool in this short video. For automation of web system, you can achieve a great stability by specifying HTML elements for navigation and actions. HTML action enables you to do it. As you see in this video, you basically specify an element by using these attributes in this menu and selecting action by selecting the event type and its parameter. And then there was just the event type that we chose, and he pasted the attribute value in this box. Now we're just adding a 4-second delay, and we'll test run it. So with HTML action, you can have a very steady automation.